In this quick video, I am going to share one common e-commerce category page content mistake that you should be avoiding, and I will be also sharing some examples from e-commerce website that you should consider like for reference. So let me start with the one example which is an example of a category page. So this is from wildcraft.com. I think they sell shoes and any other clothing accessories as well. So if you see the category page, like they have listed all the category products on the category, but at the end, like you're not going to see any content for the category page. Okay. Like this is common. We know that, okay, we need to add content on the category pages to make the page relevant or make the page more related to the keyword that they want to target. So that is also helpful. But what I am talking about is that the category page content is not only used for improving the ranking of this page, but also influencing other category and subcategory pages ranking as well, like through internal linking. So that is missing from this case because they haven't added the content in the first place, so there is no point. So the first thing, the first common mistake that you should be avoiding, like if you are having a category page or even a subcategory page and you want to target that page with the relevant keywords, then you should add some portion of the content. With the relevant content, you may add like some related h2s, h3s, or maybe faqs, or any questions that you can answer that your possible customers might ask. So that is one way to go with. And if you check another website, okay, so this is a website from Culsport. So this is similar sport, I mean men's footwear page. And at the bottom of the page we can see that, okay, they have added some sort of content, a lot of content related to the category page. But what they have done is that they have linked from the content, but the link color and the font color is almost same. Now why this is a small issue is that because if you understand what is a reasonable server web server model, which is a Google patent, and I would ask you or request you to read the article from the late Bill Salsky, this two article. I think the name is Google's reasonable server model updated, and another one is the server model which was published in 2010. So what this article is saying about that, okay, the like the whenever we are adding internal link, it definitely pass the page rank, but also the page rank, the amount of page rank might differ, like based on the position of the links, and also the location and the color, even the font size. So in that case, if you see that the link color and the normal text font text is same, so there is no difference. So in that case the page rank might like reduce the value in this case. So in this case, like all these links, so what is more suggested is that like you should use the normal text and the link should be different in font color. So that will be the ideal case. So this way you can actually have like by using internal links on the category page, you can first help like other subcategory and category pages to give more variations, like through internal linking and the anchor text as well, because you can definitely add different type of variation of the anchor text or the target keyword that you want to target with these pages. So that is one thing. And second thing is that you should not like use some kind of like blurry text font or the color which is not very readable for the users. Just make the content as natural as possible. And let me show you another example. So if you see, like this is a website from Metro Shoes, they are also adding the content, I mean content on the category page, but at the bottom of the page you can see like they are also linked to subcategory pages, like different subcategory product pages as well, or maybe the subcategory category pages, I think. Yeah, but they're using the normal text color and the link color is different from the font text color, so which is good actually. So this should be your ideal case, not this one, like not making the content more readable. Another great example I would ask you to follow if you're running any e-commerce website is diy.com. Like their website is like great to understand how they're relying on internal linkings to pass the page rank and also improving the relevance of other category and subcategory pages. If you see bottom of the page, like they have added like like variety of category and different pages as well. Even sometimes they also link to related product pages as well. So this actually helping first to improve the ranking of this page, this particular page, because of relevant content they have added. Second is that they are also like improving their internal linking structure, the reducing the crawl depth, because they're adding different very anchor text variation for all the other category pages. So this is helping Google to understand about other pages as well with the context of anchor text. So this is very important for every e-commerce website. And the first thing you should avoid is like you should not only rely on the header or footer internal links, like to help search engines understand what your category or subcategory pages is about. You should have the content in the first place. And second is that whenever you're adding content, try to add internal links to subcategory pages or even sometimes related product pages. That will also improve the relevance of other pages. And third thing is that you should not make the mistake of making the color, like messing with the colors, the font color of the link and the text.